Hello students, welcome back to the maths class. So after your periodic tests, we will continue the topics. We will continue the our classes, easy classes. So in today's lecture, we will continue the topic, the chapter number 9, sequences and series. Okay, as you know, our 8th chapter, the binomial theorem is not in our syllabus. So so that's why we are starting with this topic, sequences and series. Okay ji, so let us continue. As you know, the sequence these numbers form, जैसे कि मैंने लिखा है यहाँ पे 2 4 8 16 and so on up to 1024. So these numbers form what we call a sequence, right? So sequence may be finite sequence, it may be infinite, right? So this is the finite sequence. So here first term is 2, its second term is 4 and so on, and its 10th term is 1024. So this is there are 10 numbers, finite numbers, so that's why this sequence is called finite sequence. Finite sequence, right? And in general form you can say the an is the sequence, it is represented by an. This is the general term, right? As you know. And one more thing, that is infinite sequence. Infinite sequence की होती है infinite sequence like this ki 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. So which is not countable. The number of terms are not countable in this sequence, right? So this is called infinite sequence, right? So next is a series. What do you mean by a series, right? So sequence can be regarded as a function. Listen carefully, one line is there in your book. I am reading that line. So a sequence can be regarded as a function whose domain is the set of natural numbers. Whose domain is the set of natural numbers or some subsets of it. Sometimes we use this functional notation as an, like this. This is the sequence an. ठीक? So this is the sequence here. Now what do you mean by the series? Series ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ? ਜਿਵੇਂ ਕਿ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ any sequence which can be any sequence 2 4 6 8 and so on. Any sequence which can be written as 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus so on is so called series. ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਸੀਕੁਐਂਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪਲੱਸ ਦਾ ਸਾਈਨ ਲਗਾ ਦਿਓ ਤਾਂ ਉਹ ਸੀਰੀਜ਼, ਉਹਨੂੰ ਸੀਰੀਜ਼ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ. ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜੀ? ਸੀਰੀਜ਼ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਆ? any sequence with a positive sign means series means summation, right? This is called a series, right? So So let us take some example. The very first topic is very easy. So our first example is very first example of this NCERT book is write the first three terms in each of the following sequences defined as follows. So very first part of this first example. Let us take the first example. Very first part of this example is if an is equal to 2n plus 5, an is equal to 2n plus 5, we have to find first three terms of this sequence. So first three terms means when we put n is equal to 1, we will get a1 is equal to 7. Right? When we put n is equal to 2, we will get the second term is 9. ठीक है जी? And when we put n is equal to 3 here, we will get the third term, that is 11. So these are the first three terms of this sequence. First three terms of this sequence. Okay? And similarly, you can do the next part. The next part is an is equal to n minus 3 over 4. Second part of this question is an is equal to n minus 3 over 4. Whenever you find the first three terms of this sequence. So firstly we will get this a1 is, ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ 1 ਭਰੋਗੇ ਤਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਆਨਸਰ ਆ ਜਾਊਗਾ ਬੱਚੇ? It is 1 minus 3 minus 2 over 4, that is minus 1 by 2. When we put n is equal to 2, we will get minus 1 by 4. When we put n is equal to 3, we will get 0. Clear? So these are the first three terms of this sequence. This topic is very easy. First topic is very easy. You can easily understand. Next topic is example number 2 is what is the 20th term of this sequence? What is the next example number 2 is write the 20th term of the sequence an is equal to n minus 1, 2 minus n into 3 plus n. You have to find the 20th term of this sequence. So 20th term is, we can put n is equal to 20 here. So we will get this is 20 minus 1, this is 2 minus 20, this is 3 plus 20. So when we simplify this becomes a 19 into minus 18 into 23. Right? So when we simplify this becomes a minus 7866. Minus 7866. So this is the 20th term of this sequence. Right? Similarly, you can solve the next example. Example number 3, that is let the sequence an is defined as the follows. Let the sequence an defined as follows. an is equal to an minus 1 plus 2. an minus 1 plus 2. So your question is find first five terms and write the corresponding series. So as you see, the value of a1 is 1. It means your first term is 1. ठीक है जी? So whenever you find the second term means you will put n is equal to 2 in this. We will get a1 plus 2, that is equal to 1 plus 2, answer is 3. Similarly, when we find a3, we will get a2 plus 2, that is 3 plus 2, that is equal to 5. Similarly, a4 means a3 plus 2, that is equal to 5 plus 2, that is 7. Similarly, this is a5 and is the fifth term. a4 plus 2, that is equal to 7 plus 2, that is equal to 9. So these first five terms are 5 टर्म्स ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਹੈਗੀਆਂ 1 3 5 7 9 the corresponding series is इसकी corresponding series क्या बनेगी 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 so this is the corresponding series of this sequence okay ji so this is all about the examples. Now let us take the questions now. Very first exercise, that is 9.1. The write the first 5 terms of each of the following in the exercises 1 to 6. So beta, these questions are very very easy. I am taking only one question here, and you can do yourself these questions. You can easily solve these questions. I am taking question number 5 here. Let me take question number 5, exercise 9.1. First 4 questions you can solve yourself. Exercise 9.1. I am taking question number 5 here. The question number 5 is the sequence, general sequence is an is equal to minus 1 raised to the power n minus 1 into 5 raised to the power n plus 1. 5 raised to the power n plus 1. So this is the sequence. We will find the first 5 terms. So when we put n is equal to 1, we will get the first term, that is minus 1 raised to the power 1 minus 1 into 5 raised to the power 1 plus 1, that is equal to minus 1 power 0, that is 1, and 5 power 2, that is 25. Similarly, when we find a2 means minus 1 power 2 minus 1, this is 5 power 2 plus 1, so we will get this is you can say this is 5 square, right, and this is equal to 25. Similarly, this minus 1 power 1, that is minus 5 power 3, that is 125. Similarly, a3, that is minus 1 power 3 minus 1, 5 raised to the power 3 plus 1, that is equal to, this is minus 1 power 2, that is 1, and we will get this 5 raised to the power 4. Okay ji, 5 raised to the power 4. Clear? This is equal to 625. Then we will get this a4. A4 means minus 1 raised to the power 4 minus 1, 5 raised to the power 4 plus 1, so we will get this minus of 5 power 5. ठीक है जी. Similarly, you can find this a5, that is minus 1 power 5 minus 1, 5 raised to the power 5 plus 1, that is equal to 5 raised to the power 6. So these are the first 5 terms of this sequence. Okay. Similarly, you can solve this first 6 questions yourself. So let me solve the question number 6 also. Sixth question is also very easy question. Its sequence is n into n square plus 5 over 4. N into n square plus 5 over 4. So as when we find a1, we will get 1 into 1 square plus 5 over 4. That is 6 over 4. That is equal to 3 over 2. Right? So when we find this a2, we will get 2 into 2 square plus 5 over 4, that is 2 into 9, 2 into 9, that is 18 by 4, so this we will get 9 over 2, right? Then we can find a3 means 2 cube plus 5 over 4, that is 8 plus 5, 13 into 2, 26 by 4, that is 13 by 13 by 2. Similarly, a4 is equal to 2 into 2 the power 4. Sorry, this is wrong. I think this is 3 into 3 square, right? this is 3 into 3 square plus 5 over 2 over 4, so 42 over 4. 42 over 4 means this is 21 by 2. Similarly, A4 is 4 into 4 square plus 5 over 4, so 4 will be cancelled. Clear? So this will be 21. Next is A5. A5 means 5 into 5 square plus 5 over 4. So this is 150 over 4, that is 75 over 2. Clear? So I hope you understand this topic. You can find the first 5 terms of the sequence by putting n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, and next is find the indicator terms in each of the sequence in exercise 7 to 10. 7 to 10 nth term is given to you. nth term given है आपको, आपने फाइंड करना है द इंडिकेटर टर्म्स. जैसे कि आपके पास गिवन है an is equal to 4n minus 3. Next question number 7. Question number 7 is an is equal to 4n minus 3. 4n minus 3. You have to find A17 and A24. A17 and A24. So beta, this is very easy. Whenever you want to find this A17, you can put the value n is equal to 17. We will get A17 is equal to 4 into 17 minus 3, that is 65. And A24 is equal to 4 into 24 minus 3, that is 90. So this is very easy question. ठीक है जी. Similarly, you can solve this 8th question, 9th question, 10th question. Okay, right? So I am taking this next question. You can solve this question up to question number 10. Now next is write the first 5 terms of each of the sequences in exercises 11 to 13. Obtain the corresponding series also. It is very similar to the example which we have done. Okay, so the question number 11 is a1 is equal to 1 here. It is a1 is equal to 3 here, and the value of an is 3 into an the value है 3 into an minus 1 plus 2 for all n greater than 1, right? n greater than 1 दे देंगे. हाँ जी, फर्स्ट 5 टर्म्स फाइंड करनी है तो corresponding series फाइंड करनी है बच्चे. So first term is a1 equal to 3. So whenever you find a2 here, a2 means this is 3a1 plus 2, that is 3 into 3 plus 2, that is 11. When you will get this a3 means 3 into a2 plus 2, that is 3 into 11 plus 2, that is 35. A4 is 3a3 plus 2, that is 3 into 35 plus 2, that is 100. बन गया था आर्टिकल 3 5 the 15, 3 9 1 the 10 plus 2, that is 107. Now similarly, when we find this a5, this is a4, 3a4 plus 2, that is 3 into 107 plus 2, that is equal to, this is 321 plus 2, that is equal to 323. So these are the first 5 terms of this sequence, and the corresponding series is 3 plus 11 plus 35 plus 107 plus 323. So this is the corresponding series of this sequence, right? Hanji, similarly you can solve these next 2 questions. I am taking this question number 13. Yes, question number 13 is 13th question, it is also very easy question बच्चे. Here a1 and a2 is equal to 2. a1 is equal to a2 is equal to 2. This is given to you. And the value of an is equal to an minus 1 minus 1. Right? This is the, and where n is greater than 2. Yes. So first two terms are given to you. That is 2 of this sequence. So when we put n is equal to 3 in this equation, we will get a2 plus a2 minus 1. That is a to the value 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1. a4 is equal to a3 minus 1, that is 1 minus 1, that is equal to 0. When we put a5, we will get a4 minus 1, that is equal to a4 minus 1 means 0 minus 1, that is equal to minus 1. Then the corresponding series is given by 2 plus 1 plus 0 plus minus 1. Right? So this is the corresponding series of this these 5 term sequence. Right? Now let us take the next question, question number 14. That is very last question of this exercise. That is Fibonacci series is defined. Fibonacci series is defined by. It is given that the value of a1 and a2 is equal to 1. Question number 14. a1 की वैल्यू भी 1 है, a2 की वैल्यू भी 1 है. ठीक है जी. एंड an इज इक्वल टू, an की वैल्यू है an माइनस 1, an माइनस 1 प्लस an माइनस 2. ठीक है जी. Where n is greater than 2, find, question is find the Fibonacci sequence an plus 1 over an. Right? For all n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. n the value नहीं लगेंगे. So first of all, we will get a1 is 1, a2 is 1. What is a3? a3 find करना है. a3 means a2 plus a1. That is equal to 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. Now you have to find a4. a4 means a3 plus a2. a3 plus a2 means 2 plus 1, that is equal to 3. Whenever you find a5, we will get a4 plus a3. a4 plus a3, that is 3 plus 2, that is equal to 5. a6 is equal to a5 plus a4. What will we get? a5 plus a4, we will get 5 plus 3, that is equal to 8. Now you have to find this sequence. ठीक है जी. So an plus 1. So when we put an plus 1 over an find करना है. ठीक है जी. So when n is equal to 1, what is the sequence? n ਦੀ ਵੈਲਿਊ 1 ਪਰ ਹੋਵੇ ਤਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਆਊਗਾ a2 over a1. That is equal to बच्चे 1 over 1. That is answer is 1. So when we put n is equal to 2 here, we will get a3 over a2. We will get a3 over a2 means 2 over 1. That is equal to 2. So when we put n is equal to 3, we will get a4 over a3. We will get a4 over a3. That is 3 by 2. Similarly, when we put n is equal to 4, we will get this a5 over a4. a5 over a4 means 5 over 3. And the next is when we put n is equal to 5, we will get a6 over a5, that is equal to 8 over 5. So these are the values, and the required sequence is, the required answer is 1, 2, 3 by 2, 5 by 3, 8 by 5. So this is the right answer, which is, so this is your last question of this exercise 9.1. Okay. So this is all about this the topic sequence. Okay, so I hope ki you understood this topic. This topic is very easy, so thank you.